Hello and welcome to Style Themes video tutorials. In this edition of video tutorial, we'll be talking about how you can download and install the plugin Jetpack and use most of its features, which actually helps you to boost the performance of your website, right? Now, since I'm using Style Themes theme, you can see one of the recommendation out here straight at the top end, which says this theme recommends the following plugin Jetpack, right? So that is what you get with Style Themes. We suggest you to have the plugins that are necessary for this website, for this theme to boost the performance of your website. Okay, since this video is being made for multi-purpose users, we are going to show you a stepwise process on how to download it, install it, and use the various features. So let us go to plugins and click on add new. You'll end up at a page where there are a lot of plugins shown, but since we're looking for Jetpack, you can install it right from here straight away. But like I said, we're making this video for multi-purpose users, so I'm going to show you a detailed process. We're going to search Jetpack in the search bar. If you are looking for any other plugin, that is how you have to search the plugin from the search bar and enter it after you complete typing. Now you find right at the top it is Jetpack by WordPress.com. Click on install now. The website auto starts downloading it, and once it's done with downloading, it gives you this message: successfully installed the plugin Jetpack by WordPress.com, right? So we will have to activate the plugin now. Okay, so we're almost done now, and now Jetpack is asking you to connect to WordPress.com. The reason behind this is if you connect to WordPress.com, you'll also be able to use a lot of different features Jetpack has to offer. If you do not do that, in some platforms, you might not be able to use all the features of Jetpack, while in some of the themes, you might not even have a feature from Jetpack as well. So let us go ahead and connect to WordPress.com. You will reach a page something like this, and since we already have our username and password saved in the browser, we're going to approve it. So you will have to use your username and password of WordPress and then click on approve. You see we are filled up and ready to go. Jetpack is now active, and we can see some of the features here that Jetpack offers, right? And there are a lot of different offers as well, so click on see the other 27 Jetpack features. You'll now be able to see a lot of different features here. Alright, so now we have all the features this plugin provides, so let's go ahead and try and use some of them and show you how these features can be used at the maximum level to boost the performance of your website. So let's begin with Jetpack widget visibility. First of all, you have to activate it. The Jetpack widget visibility has been activated, and let's go ahead and try and use it, for which we need to go to widgets. Because I'm using flat responsive theme from Style Themes, you can see a total of 19 widgets, right? So let's go ahead and try and work on one of the widgets. Let's say banner wide. Here let's work with Google Map, right? So basically what you find is, Google Maps are shown in the contact pages, right? That is what we've exactly done here. I'm gonna show you on visibility. The contact us page right now displays a Google Map, right? So I'm going to show you that. Okay, so this is contact us page, and you can see the Google Map right here. Let us go ahead and try and add the Google Map to another page. So it's going to be a page. Let's have it in frequently asked questions page. And save it. It's saved. Now let's go ahead and try and check the frequently asked questions page. There you go. So Google Map is up here. Now let us try and remove it. All you need to do is delete, right? And I'm gonna save it again. Let's go to frequently asked questions and rephrase it. So it's gone. Simple and easy like that. So if you want to add something to any of the pieces, that is how you do it, or remove it, show or hide. Very simple steps, right? Now let us go back to Jetpack and try and use another feature, which is custom CSS, for which first of all we'll have to activate it. It has been activated, and now to use it, under Appearance, let's go to Edit CSS, open it in a new tab. The reason we use custom CSS is because it is able to save the CSS the users like you and me have inserted for customization while updating the theme. Okay, so let us go ahead and try and make a change and save it. So this is the front end of the website, and right now you can see these logos are in a circular form. Let's just say I want to change it and make it square, right? So I'm going to inspect element and I'm going to make a minor change, remove this. So you see the change, right? So I just removed the border radius and now it's square form. So I'm going to save this code, copy this code and paste it in here. All you need to do is save style sheet after you are done copying, and that is going to save the change that you've made, and even when you update the theme, the change that you made is going to stay there. Alright, so now we'll be talking about another feature which is going to be extra sidebar widget. Let us first activate it. It has been activated. Now again, to show you how it functions, let's go to widgets, rephrase it. Great, so now you see different features just like Facebook like box with a jetpack, display WordPress posts, Goodreads, and different other features, right? What this function does is it gives you an easy way to use widgets to show Twitter feeds, Facebook posts, and the likes. So let us have this in blog left sidebar because it is right here. So I'm gonna save it, add widget. Under blog left sidebar, you can now see Facebook like box. All you need to do is fill in the spaces and also choose the contents that you want to show and then save it. Once you do it, it displays in the front end of the website as well. With that, let's move forward and talk about another feature, which is going to be site icon. Let us activate site icon. It has been activated. Now let's go to configure. The site icon is also called favicon icon, and normally when you open up websites at the top of the browser right here, you see a small logo kind of thing right next to the title, right? That is what we're trying to do. So let us go ahead and add the site icon. I'm going to browse. I'm going to upload it, but before uploading, let me just be sure that you understand that the image needs to be at least 512 in both width and height, right? Upload it. Let's crop it. It says the site icon has been updated, so let us rephrase it. Here now you can see the new site icon, right? It has been updated and it's on. Simple. Now let's talk about contact form, another feature for which I will have to open Jetpack one more time. Let us activate the contact form. It has been activated. Now to use contact form, let us add a new page. Okay, now you can see add contact form option right next to add media. Click on that. Normally in other websites as well, you can see a form like this where you have to put in your name, email address, website and comments, or ask questions. You can in fact make a very much similar contact form or even add fields with add a new field option. You can level it, and you can also identify what kind of field it is going to be and save this field. That is how you build a contact form. Now let's go ahead and work with tile galleries. I'm just going to close this page. Let us activate tile galleries. The tile galleries has been activated. Now let us go ahead and try and create a gallery in a new page. Okay, click on add media. Create a gallery. The pictures that we want to have, let us say we just want 5 pictures, and create a new gallery. Here you have an option of the type of gallery you want to have. Let us just say we want to have square tiles. In fact, these are the options that you are provided with tile galleries. Let us click on insert gallery, give a temporary name like tiled gallery and publish it. It has been published. Let us view the page in the next tab. So right now you can see tile gallery. So this is your tile gallery, but let us go ahead and try and make it look further beautiful, for which we need to use another widget, which is carousel. Let us activate carousel. Now the carousel has been activated. Let us see what it has done to your gallery, right? And now let us take a look at the pictures. If you recall, previously the pictures were shown in a different way. Now it shows up in a light box, and that is what carousel has done to your tile galleries. Okay, so let's move back to the Jetpack settings. So in this video, we showed you how to use different features, including widget visibility, custom CSS, extra sidebar widget, site icons, contact form, tile galleries, and carousel, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please drop in a comment below. We'll definitely get back to you. And of course, we'll definitely get back to you with other different videos in days to come as well. Thanks and have a good day.